Yo, what's up, my party people? It's your boy, MC Nyulo. We are behind the scenes with my guys, man.
Alongside Kurutu.
Yeah. Ochi nani?
Ochi Peddi. Peddi.
Ochi Peddi.
You say Peddi, man. Say Peddi.
Tote moi.
Yo.
Haya sawa.
Yeah.
Yo. Soloo grandson hapa bwana. Kibao.
Kibao man bwana. Magota okiwa kana kongo mpogo bwana. Magi moka duwa
Kibao ni mimi natoka Juda.
Man ma kibao blue moon. Kio mna ma once in a blue.
Mogo tonjokanyo kibao.
Mogo tonjokanyo kibao.
Okay guys, so that is me alongside my friends MC Nyulo Kurutu hapa.
With our boy
Pedla.
Say something, Daktari. My name Daktari.
I'm feeling great.
Hey.
You're feeling
okay. I'm feeling great. So guys, manze, tuko hapa kwa shoot, tumemaliza. Expect incredible stuff coming your way this year. Alafu pia unajua tunafanya makolabo na watu wa noma sana, watu wagwan. We are set to do a collab with some guys in Nigeria, manze. Kama itawezekana, don't come ano. Tugiwe inde moko bende wasayudo but wainde to kwa kawa mana Kisumu ka.
Nyakodiero.
Yeah. Nyakodiero, diero be wasego go collab. Diero be nado wasego. Lekala ne wachipo So guys, manze, as you know it, all you need to do is share this video and share our YouTube channel link so that we can get a lot of subscribers. Subscribe and share the love. We love you. From Kurutu, Soloo grandson to Ochi, and from my heart, man. We love you so much.
Thank you.
Bye until then.